Hi everybody, Nancy here. Today I'm going to talk about using the custom calendar generator to create non-standard calendars. Like, for example, the one on the left. Notice that the Monday is smaller than the Tuesday and they're both the same size as the Wednesday. And it's just a different non-standard kind of format. And until this most current release, we weren't able to do that. We could manually do something with that, but now we can create a symbol and take it into the generator and create a whole document, a whole planner with kind of different ways of doing a week than what could have been done before. Example is, here's another one. This was a freebie that I got from somebody. It was just one page that they gave, and I decided I wanted to use that for all of my weeks in a particular month. And rather than have to manually do that, now we're able to quickly and easily do it with the automatic generator. And then this is another layout. See, totally different. You couldn't do that before, where, Thursday's on a row all by itself. And this particular one and the first one are both from different comic book templates. See, this one, if I go here and look at the pages in this document, it's a PDF file and it had all these different layouts for comic strips and or comic books, I guess. And anyway, I like the look of that, so I wanted to create a whole document using that layout. Now, the first thing I did was create a create a page template with this background color or with this page, because I wanted it as the background of my calendar rather than a color. All right. So I created a paper template from that. Let me go back, and I think I'm going to do this one and show you how I would create a calendar using this layout. Completely just out of the blue, whatever you want to do kind of thing. So first thing I need, if you look at this, you can see that it's a PDF file and every page is like, it's the document. It's not a picture. So I need a picture to include in my symbol. So I need to grab this area here. And I've done this enough that I have it already pre-sized. So I just do a copy. And then double tap with my fingers. That's something that's new with this release. And do a paste. And I can use that now. I have a shape. Now, or an image, I should say. Now I just go and put shapes into each one of the squares that I want the days in. Now, obviously there's 9 squares and I only need 7, so I'm going to start with the second. Let me select that and draw this. Now, it's going to be an aqua color, and I don't want to leave that fill because it will affect my end product. My end product would have a green area, a rectangle there. Don't want that. So I'm going to turn that off, turn the filling off. But before I go to the fill, I'm going to go to the bottom of the first style and turn on calendar. So all 7 have to be identified as calendar. That's how it will know to put the Monday through Sunday. Now I'm going to go to the fill and turn that off. Okay, I'm going to select what I just created, do a copy, and now I'm just going to paste and move it to where it needs to go. Paste. I'm using the menu for this, but I can double tap and move it. Love that double tap. Now you have to use your fingers, not the pen. And I need 7 of these, and all 7 of them are going to be marked as calendar. See, I just created that one. If I look at it, it's marked as calendar. The next thing I need to do is draw another shape, but make it the size of the area that I want to pull into the generator, which is just including the squares. Now it's green again, but it doesn't matter because it's not going to show up on the final calendar. And it also, you do not check calendar on that. All right, you're not going to use it for that. It's just to select the area of this image that I want to pull in. And I want to leave it green because I need for it to move to the back. Let me select it first. Select, and then go to order, move to back. And because it was green, I was able to see that it's moved to the back now. It's not on the top. That helps. All right, now I'm going to select all of it. Now, in case you didn't know, if you toggle selection, if nothing's selected and you toggle selection, that selects all of it. That selects everything. It's like a select all thing. Just a little tip there. I did a video on it ages ago, but most of you probably haven't seen it. So, again, nothing selected, toggle selection, that selects everything on the page. And you can see there's 9 items selected. That's exactly what it should be. 7 for the days of the week, 1 image, and 1 of the selecting the area. And now I'm going to go down and create new symbol. It's been done. Now I'm going to open up symbols just to see where it is. See, it's symbol 55. Now I'm going to leave this page, go to the main document level, and click on the plus sign, create document, custom, and see here I've got the page selected, the template that I created from that blank page selected, and I'm going to configure the planner. And under general, you can see that I've got 4 months coming, and it's going to start on Monday. And I click on sections, and if I go down to weeks, let's see, add week page, I've got to go to the bottom. It's the last. See, turn this, use page layout symbol. That has to be turned on. Then I select the below it so that I can come here, select 55, and do save up at the top. Now, it's done its thing. If you look to the right up at the top underneath the image, but to the right of the word weeks, you've got 2 arrows. Now we can blow it up. This is another new thing from the, well, I must have hit something wrong. Thankfully, it saves the last thing, so I don't have to worry about that. If I go back to Configure Planner, click on those 2 things, and it blows it up now so that we can actually see what we're doing. Thank you, Ed. And now we can go back, and it's like I want it, so I go back to the custom, do create, and I've just created this whole document. Now, I didn't do daily, so it's only 26 pages long. But to have done that manually would not have been a good time. If I click on that, then there you go. You can see Monday is the second column. It just, how do it know? You know? But it works. It's magic. All right, now there are other things that came out of the last update, and there's a couple that really kind of could be confusing if somebody didn't explain it to you. So I'll do a different video. It'll make this one too long, but I'll do a different video maybe and show you some of those things. And if there's anything in particular in that update you want information about, just let me know, and I'll try to do something with that. All right? All right. Y'all have a great day here. Bye.